All right, good morning, everyone. Just wanted to share a very quick video about how you share things on Scratch. I'm starting off here in Scratch in My Stuff, and as you'll see on the side here, there are two different categories here. There's shared projects and there's unshared projects. I'm not sure which one of these yours is in. You'll have to check for yourself. Shared projects are projects where you've already agreed that other people can see them, so this is quite easy. All you do is, I'm going to take Julia's for example. All you do is you just, if it's shared, then you just go to the copy link button down here, click on that, and just take the one on the top, which is just a link, and copy that, and then you paste that into the comments on Seesaw. If your project is unshared, then all you really need to do, it's fairly simple, is to just take Lakshmi's here. There's just one other step to do really, which is it says this project is not shared, so only you can see it. Click share and let everyone see it. So guess what? Click share. And when you do that, the little copy link button will pop up here that's active and you can use it. So then you just copy it and do exactly the same thing. All right, hope that's fairly simple. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.